Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring to you my June Luxury Divas. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Luxury Divas for June just arrived, and I don't know if we're receiving bigger items this month because this is a bigger box this time. Normally it's in the smaller black box that's inside of a mailer. I don't know if that's what's in here, but I received this big guy right here. And I'm so excited because now we're into summer. My background, we're into summer. So let's see what they do for a summer theme. And I'm so excited to see what they do. For those of you that do not know, Luxury Divas is a fashion accessory box, which is amazing. So they have, their box is $35 a month unless you do the actual subscription where it's reoccurring. Then it brings that down to $30 a month. And if you use my code Crafty5, you get $5 off your first month's box. So that'll actually make it $25 if you do the normal subscription reoccurring. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Every month they give you 5 to 6 hand-selected fashion-related items, and each box is valued at $100 or more every single month. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful weekend. It is hotter than hell here in Florida. I posted a picture on my Instagram today that it was 103. My car said 103. I'm like, oh, holy moly. There, ooh, look at this, you guys. This is why we have a different box, because this big old hat wouldn't fit in the other box. Look how cute, you guys. Say hello, sunshine. How cute. Let's see. How do I look with the hat on, you guys? Look. How cute. Okay, so we got a hat. What? We got a hat. Okay, let's see what else we got this month. Already, I can tell it's a summertime. So that's what's inside. It's in their paper, so there's no other box. This is what is in here this time. And it's probably because of that big old guy right there, which that's awesome. So let me go ahead and get out. Ooh, and they always do put in some type of like a candy for you. And this month we got 2 little lollipops, which those look so good. So thank you. And their attention to detail is so cool. And they always give you a personalized card. And so this one says, hello, Tracy. I'm looking forward to packing up all the June boxes and hoping you guys get to enjoy all the fun goodies inside. There's even cool socks to get you in the spirit of Independence Day. So there's some cool socks in here. Can't believe it's your 5th box already. Time flies. So this is my 5th box. I did purchase a 6-month subscription of this one. So I have one more, and I'm probably going to renew at least for another 6 months so I can show you guys a consecutive year, because they do change with the seasons, and I love that. So this month, my curator was Miranda, that gorgeous lady right there. I believe she's done my last 2 boxes, actually. So that is awesome. So we have that. Now, Luxury Divas always gives you a LD Insider, which goes over different fashion that... Oh, nope. This month, they have featured LD box babes from across the country. And who's this right there? Who's this gorgeous girl right here? Why, of course, that's me. How cool is that? So I'm from Florida. There's Laughing with an Accent from California, which I'm still a California girl, but I'm living in a Florida world. There's a Jess Album, I'm not sure. Tony Talks Unboxings, I'm not sure. Rachel Redhead Mom, I do know that one. And then here's a Saki McQueen from New Jersey. So that is awesome. Look who made the magazine, you guys. That's me. So there is that, and it's really cool that they show the states that they're from. So that is awesome. How cool. And then it has sunshine on my mind in June. There's no doubt about it. June is my favorite month of the year, besides the beautiful weather. My birthday is in June. Oh, well, happy birthday, Deb. So her son's birthday is in June as well, and the chaos around having the kids in school is over. That is so cool. So happy birthday to you and your son this month. That's awesome. And then look at that gorgeous picture of her and her little fur baby. Aww. So let's go ahead and see what we have. They always give you a list that goes over all of the items. This shows that my total retail value for everything in my box is $140. Whoa. Okay. And I see the socks. So let me pull those out first since we already know about those. And here we go. How cute. Do they have Luxury Divas on there? They literally have their LD logo on the bottom of the sock. How cool is that? That is really cool. I don't have anything that is actually festive for Independence Day. So this year I was actually thinking of trying to find like a 4th of July style shirt. So now I will have these amazing socks to go with it. So that is cool. So these are American flag novelty crew socks, sizes 10 to 12. Hooray for the red, white, and blue. With 4th of July on the horizon, your new American flag socks will bring out the patriot in you. These are valued at $10. And those are awesome. Yes, that is really cool. And then you'll have them for next month, because what Luxury Divas does is on your anniversary date of your renewal, whenever you subscribe, that is the date that they get your box ready to ship to you. So if somebody were to get a box like at the end of July, it would be too late for these. So I really like that they put them in this month's box. So everybody that gets a box this month will have these for 4th of July next month. So that is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what is in here. And they always wrap everything up so cute. Again, their attention to detail is really, really spot on. So let's see what this is, you guys. All right, is this like a little, tell me it's not a scarf. Nope, it is not a scarf. This looks like probably like a bathing suit wrap. What are those things called? Let me read it. This says 100% polyester, Luxury Divas. This is the hot pink plus knee length sheer sarong. Sarong, is that how you say it? So this is a sarong, exclusively designed by Luxury Divas. Your new plus size sarong wrap is a summer must have. Made of a lightweight material, it dries fast and folds up easy for travel. Be sure to get one in every swimsuit color you own. Available in black, white, and pink. And this is valued at $20. And on their website, if you wanted to look these up, the code for it is S06791, and the socks is L01138. So this is a bathing suit wrap, which that is awesome, and it matches the pink on the hat. And this is summertime. Everybody goes to the beach, so that is amazing. The next thing in here I see goes with it. So this is the Luxury Divas Silver Sarong Clip. So this is what you use to tie that bad boy on your hip, because when you dip, we dip, we dip. And you tie it like that. And it says, a hard-to-find accessory. Your new Luxury Divas sarong clip is designed to keep your favorite wrap or sarong in place exactly where you want it to sit. Feed both ends of the scarf through the opposite holes and tighten. Available in silver. This is valued at $13. It says Luxury Divas. And this one, the code is JW01494. So that is awesome. Yay! Okay, so next item in here, ooh, we have L'Oreal Paris. We have a twofer lip gloss. Look at that, you guys. This is L'Oreal Color Rich Lip Gloss 2-pack. Use this moisturizing luminous gloss to bring the glow of summer to your beautiful lips. Keep your lips moist and subtle with a dewy high shine, yet sheer with a touch of color that's universal for all skin tones. Wear on bare lips or over your favorite lipstick. One for your purse, one for your beach bag. Now you're prepared for the day. Available in as shown, which would have been the set of 2. This is valued at $22, and that on their code would be BEAU40. So there are just the colors by themselves, and I will go ahead and swatch these for you guys. That is so cool. Ooh, and that is a really pretty color. And let me get the next one. I'm really excited about this box, you guys. What are you thinking so far? Is this the perfect summer theme so far? I think it is. There are the 2 colors right there. And they'd be like that right there. So yay, we have 2 lip glosses. Well, I have 2 lip glosses, and they do go by profile. You do fill out a profile of your height, your shoe size, your clothing size, what you like, what you don't like. You can write in, like I put in that I prefer silver versus yellow gold or yellow gold. I'm not a yellow gold person, that I don't really wear shorts or dresses, that kind of thing. I might not have put dresses, but you can tailor your profile. Yeah. So the next item in here is this, and I'm so excited because I think my very first box, I have earrings that look like this. So I'm so excited to get now a matching necklace. That is beautiful. Ah, they like read my mind. Thank you. So this is a silver long filigree leaf necklace. Great as a fashion piece or a gift. Hard to go wrong with any item like this. Perfect for the woman who loves nature. Available in silver or gold. This is valued at $20, and you can use the code is JW01445 that you can probably search in their website to find if you're interested, because all of these items you can purchase directly if you don't want to go to the subscription box. But in the subscription box, it's so much worth it. So there is that without, ooh, and look, you see through it. These are almost just like the earrings. I'm so excited. That is so pretty. I cannot wait. I've got to go find my earrings and put these with them because I am so glad to now have a matching thing. Now we have one more item in here, you guys, and I'm loving the color. Wish I had silver instead of gold, but it's still my teal and it's so pretty. Is this a beach bag? Yes, it is. Look at this big old beach bag, you guys. This is the perfect summer themed box. So you have your beach bag, you have your sarong bathing suit wrap, you have the belt clip to hold it together, you have a beautiful necklace, you have beautiful colored lip glosses that you can use alone or over anything. You have these wonderful socks to be patriotic for next month's holiday. And then you have that beautiful hat. Now inside here, there is one little pocket. So there is a pocket, or is there 2? There's 2 pockets, but this is, oh, and it zips closed. Get that puffin ball out of the way. Come on, all these little ropes. All right, so it zips closed. So if you do take this to the beach, none of your stuff is gonna fall out. Everything will be nice and tight in there. And the inside is made of this type of material that I'm sure even if you threw a wet towel or bathing suit in here, it's not going to hurt it because it has like that plasticky line inside. That's awesome. That is awesome. I love that. That is really, really pretty, you guys. So, and it zips. Even better. And that's a good size. Look how big that bag is. So this, let me tell you, I'm so excited. Blue and gold metallic print canvas beach tote bag. This exquisite design of your new tote bag allows you to pack for the day at the beach, shop around town, or pack up a last minute giveaway trip. Oh, the places you'll go. Available in pink, black, and blue. I'm glad they sent me the blue because that's my favorite color. If they would have said pink, then all of this stuff would have at least matched. But this is my favorite color, so I'm so glad I got this one. So again, it's in pink, black, or blue. This is valued at $25. And the code says HBO, not like the show, just HBO, or it might be a 0. Might be HB02123. So that is awesome. And again, my total value for everything is $140. And if you get the subscription reoccurring, it's only $30 with free shipping. This is definitely worth the value, you guys. So worth the value. One of these things alone is probably $30. Well, 25. The hat. The hat is $30. So you pay for this, such a cool hat. It says Angela and William on the little tag, so it's probably the brand. Angela and William, yeah. So $30, you get this hat, and you get your sarong, your clip, your jewelry, your lip product, and your beach bag, and your socks. Holy moly, you guys. So comment down below. My hair's all sticking up in front of my ears. I got a big head, but you know, it still looks cute, right? So comment down below, you guys. Let me know. Is this the perfect summer theme? Yes, because I think so. And guess what? It's starting to rain. It's 100 degrees outside and it's gonna start to rain. What in the world? My flip-flops that I got last month with the pink and green and blue peacock would totally match all of this stuff as well. So that's amazing. Okay, you guys, so again, comment down below, what was your favorite item? Did you like my box? Do you think this is a perfect summer theme? Because I sure do. So again, you guys, comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah. So again, if you guys are in this hot heat, try to stay cool this weekend. If not, just still have a good weekend. You guys enjoy the weekend. It's the weekend. I finally have a day off tomorrow, and that's what I'm so excited about. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.